Oh, it's locked from behind. Morning, let's say. We are now spreading out in their new home. They're eating. Today is just plain water. Tomorrow is second gumburo. So today is plain water. And we are about home. Going to be doing their vaccination. Second gumburo. They're still mainly down here. Like that water, make some on my ear daily. A water, you can tell. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. You ready for your vaccination? Where are you going? Where are you going? I'm asking you a question. Stop staring at me and give me an answer. Where are you going? You want a peck? Come on. Come on. Come on. Bà có nói đều mình quên cái gì rồi. They are currently on the 4th week. They were 3 weeks yesterday. So this is day 1 of their 4th week. Yeah, they finished 3 weeks yesterday. So this is day 1 of their 4th week. And as you can see, their color is coming. These are bovines brown. So they are on 2 days of Amprocox for Coxy. So when we're giving them any form of medication, we shut this off so the water doesn't flow, and then we mix it in there, in here, and then we go around putting them in the drinker till it's done. That's what we do all day, even vaccination, medication. So this is all Amprocox we just put in here, and this has been shut out, so the water is not flowing. This is what we do. So when we're medication takes a bit of work, but that's the only thing we can do with these automatic drinkers. You can't mix it all in the huge poly tank. So this is what we do for medications and vaccinations. They are eating, but they like to pick out the smooth ones and leave the corn bits, and then when they're older they pick up the corn bits and leave the smooth. So that's what they do. It's okay, you can come eat, and we have to cover these or they will jump in there. Right now they try, but we have the lid, but it wouldn't fit, so we have to fix it. Broilers would not jump in there, but layers they will jump. See, some of them are already on top already, and they're only like, this is their 4th week. So imagine when they're on your view right now is the food chart, and right now they're on grower, and they're going to be on there till their week 10. Then we start the next, which will be developer. So for that, if we're following the chart, they're on week 4. So that means you give them, you look at the feed consumption, it says 28 for week 4. So I'm going to give you how you can calculate and get the amount for your birds at week 4, okay? And each week you increase it according to the chart. So hold on for the example. So using week 4 as an example, this is how you do the calculation. It's 28 per bird times 1500, that's the amount of bird, divided by 1000, which will give you 42 kg per 1500 birds. Maximum 45. Just put 3 kgs just in case, okay? So maximum will be 45 for week 4, using that as an example. Week 4, so healthy. Hi guys, let me see your beak. Let me see your beaks. You need to be debeaked. Look at the scaredy cats. So when someone calls you chicken, it's a big insult. Scared of every and anything, including sounds and movement. Just watching you eat. Go ahead and eat. I'm not touching you. Just eat. Eat your food. They're Kuji's grower. Eat your food, guys. They're eating, and when I get closer, they freeze. So I'm just gonna zoom in so you can see them eat and drink. Good morning. Happy Sunday. You're growing beautifully. I haven't seen you since in 2 days. And I can see your color is coming. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Good morning, kiddos. Stop it. I'm your mom. Very strong and healthy. This is definitely a cock. That one there. This one. So we are officially 4 weeks or 1 month old. They're all up to date with their medication. And the next vaccination, yes. So vaccination is up to date. And we're going to give them the second Newcastle at 6 weeks. And of course, they're getting the Amphocox, aka Coxy, pretty much every week till they're like, they start laying. So they look good. 1 month, good. Soon we'll be deworming them also. So we are officially 1 month. It looks so pretty. And we've lost one, like I think this week, because they went under the feeder. It was hanging like that and they went under it and one died. So we put the feeder back down until they get older, so we don't lose another one. That was a stupid way of losing a chick. So obviously my husband and I were not here, the worker. So my husband's like, what did you do about it? Like nothing. So they left they left the feeder still up. My husband's like, when something happens and you know the cause of what happened, you have to think about ways to stop that from happening again. So what do you think you need to do? If they get stuck under the feeder because the feeder is hanging, then what you have to do is put it down so that doesn't happen again. But no, critical thinking never told them to do that. So imagine if he's not here, they'll keep the feeder up and we'll keep losing chicks. So if I can get one to show you how they look like at 1 month. Okay. So 1 month old. They look good. I like what I'm seeing. Healthy. It's gonna fly off in a minute. Now you can see the color. They have their feathers. Very healthy looking chicks. Okay? Happy birthday. You're 1 month. How do you feel about being at Emirich Farms? Okay. So that's it, guys. Sorry about the chirping sound, the chicks making noise. I'm on the farm. I'm trying to be productive and do voiceover while I still work. Okay, so excuse me about that. So thank you so much for watching. I don't want to be redundant, so I'll try not to give you so many videos, but I'll just pop in once in a while to give you an update. So I'll try and do maybe from week 4 to week 6 when they get their second Newcastle, and probably do another example of the feed calculation, and then I'll just stop giving you videos until I have something significant to share. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share after watching. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly do me a favor. Okay, I appreciate your love and support. And until next time, smile. See miracles in life every day. Okay, Nothing is easy, but we gotta try, okay? That's the best you can do. So ciao guys, bye.